Agronomy. Agronomy. The word agronomy is derived from two Greek words, agros and nomos, having the meaning of field and to manage. Agronomy means the art of managing field technically. It means the science and economics of crop production by management of farmland. Agronomy definition. Agronomy is the art and underlying science in the production and improvement of field crop with the efficiency use of soil fertility, water level and other factors related to crop productions. Agronomy is the field of the study and practice of the ways and mean of productions of food, feed and fiber crops. Agronomy is defined as a branch of agricultural science which deals with the principles and practice of field crop production and management of soil for higher productivity. Basic principles: source utilization, appropriate and efficient utilization of natural resources, capital and labor are very necessary for increasing crop production. High productivity under all conditions. There are many agroclimatic zones and agroecological regions, and to sustain high productivity of the crop under all zones is very important. Selection of right variety. A right variety of the crop should be selected taking care of different integrated and rain-fed conditions, soil fertility and soil seasons. Proper field management. Proper field management by tillage, timely irrigation, proper drainage and controlling land degradation is very important. Timely application of fertilizer. Timely application of nutrient to the crop keeping in mind and improvement of soil fertility and productivity. Application of the organic manures and biofertilizer should be encouraged. Timely adoptions of plant production measures. Proper plant protection methods should be adopted for control of weeds, harmful insects, and diseases. A suitable method of harvesting. Suitable method of harvesting the crop to reduce harvesting loss and prepare the land for next crop. Adoption of post-harvest techniques. Adoption of required post-harvesting techniques like cleaning, dry storage, value addition, etc. Agronomist, scientist who studies the principle and practice of crop productions and soil management for productions of food for human beings and feed for his animals. Role of agronomist. Generally, agronomist studies the problem of crop productions and develops better way of producing food, feed and fiber. Agronomist aims at obtaining maximum productions at minimum cost. Example: developing efficient and economic field preparation method. Energy should be minimized. What type of crop in what season? Agronomists shoulder the responsibility of all social, economic, cultural problems in addition to field problems for the effective functioning of the farm in general. Agronomist explores the knowledge developed by basic and applied science for higher crop production. Agronomist carries out research on scientific cultivation of crops, taking into account the effect of factors like soil, climate, crop variety, and adjust production techniques suitably depending on the situation. Since the agronomists cooperate and coordinate with all the discipline of agriculture, it is essential that an agronomist should have training in the other discipline of agriculture also.